Hi everyone, welcome back to BuddyDevelopers. I'm Naveen, and today we're diving into the top 5 technical documentation plugins for WordPress. Whether you're aiming to create a comprehensive knowledge base or enhance your internal guides, these plugins are here to make your job easier. Let's get started. Number 1. Docs. Docs is a versatile documentation plugin for WordPress that streamlines creating and managing your site's documentation. It features nested documentation structures, responsive design, and an intuitive instant search with an assistant widget to help users quickly find the information they need. Additionally, Docs offers customizable pre-built layouts and a floating contact form to boost user interaction. Number 2. WP Help. WP Help is a simple yet effective plugin for creating and managing documentation directly within your WordPress dashboard. It allows you to build a hierarchical structure for your documents, making it easy to organize and access your content. WP Help is ideal for internal documentation or guides for your team, all within the WordPress interface. Number 3. Better Docs. Better Docs provides a comprehensive solution for managing your knowledge base and documentation needs. It includes advanced live search, customizable templates, and powerful analytics to track user engagement. The plugin supports multiple layouts and features a sticky table of contents to enhance navigation and user experience. Number 4. BSF Docs. BSF Docs is a user-friendly and flexible plugin designed to help you create detailed documentation for your WordPress site. It allows for easy organization of documents with a hierarchical structure and provides a smooth navigation experience. BSF Docs also offers customizable templates and integrates with popular page builders for added versatility. Number 5. Knowledge Base. Knowledge Base is a robust plugin for creating and managing a comprehensive knowledge base on your WordPress site. It features drag and drop article reordering, multiple layout options, and a responsive design. The built-in analytics tool helps you track documentation performance and make data-driven improvements. That's it for our top 5 technical documentation plugins for WordPress. These tools will help you create organized, user-friendly documentation. We also provide WordPress development services, so if you need a customized theme or additional features for your website, we can help. To hire us, go to BuddyDevelopers.com and click on the Hire Us button. We'll also add the link in the description below. Join our Facebook group for support and help with GeoDirectory, WooCommerce, BuddyPress, and WordPress. It's a great place to ask questions, share your experiences, and connect with others who have the same interests. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel, BuddyDevelopers, for more WordPress tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.